Barbie ini lepas landas dengan penerbangan gravitasi nol. Boneka astronot Italia, Samantha Cristoforetti, berusaha menginspirasi gadis-gadis untuk mempertimbangkan karir sains. Mainan itu menandai Pekan Luar Angkasa Sedunia, bahwa tahun ini memberi penghormatan kepada wanita di luar angkasa.
Well, as astronauts, something that we all really care about is inspiring the next generation, inspiring young boys and girls to take up careers in space exploration or in general in science and technology. We think, and I think that that's really important. And this year's Space Week is specifically dedicated to inspiring more women to take up career in space. And so I thought that in partnership with Mattel and with the project with the Barbie doll would be a suitable addition to all the work that will be done in that Space Week.
Penerbangan gravitasi nol yang membawa pergelangan tangan Cristoforetti dimulai dari Pangkalan Badan Antariksa Eropa di Jerman.